Hi, this is Tim of the 1916 Company. Welcome and thanks for logging on. If you love this watch, email us, Team Mosso at the1916company.com for purchase, pricing, and availability questions. I have to say, right out of the gate, this might be one of the most Instagrammed watches of the last year. A star on social media almost from the beginning. This is the Isotope Revolution Mercury, so a collaboration between Isotope, Jose Miranda, and Waco of Revolution magazine. You've got a watch right here that is mirror polished in almost every single facet, but set apart by its minimalist Zalitz machine black polished dial. So you can see this is a multi-piece dial with a fascinating array of details. Let's talk about the basics here because it is an impressive 2024 limited edition of 150 pieces that is designed for easy wearing. Now, it is a tonneau style case. While some might describe it as round due to the shape of the bezel, you need to look at the case itself. It is a tonneau form. 38 millimeters in diameter. The more meaningful dimension is 44.2, which is lug-to-lug. That's why I say this is a broadly wearable watch. That's a very short lug-to-lug. 10.2 millimeters thick. The watch has a 20 millimeter spacing in between the lugs. Throw it on the wrist. My wrist is 16 centimeters circumference, and you can see that the lugs are well inboard of the edge of my wrist on each side. It's very comfortable. It's quite slim. It does have a nicely sloped case flank, so it will slide effortlessly underneath a cuff. And it's kind of funny, for once I can actually see my camera and my face. Hello. While I'm recording a watch. Easy watch to wear. I'd recommend it for wrists as small as 13.5 centimeters circumference. Of course, you could see the Isotope logo elaborated to remind us that mercury, in one of its many senses, is a liquid metal element. Of course, you can see the Isotope logo here. We have a lovely sort of diagonal turbine-like serration or knurling of the crown, which is a inverse cone, and then we have this lovely fluid compound curved case with a sort of a soft step between lug and case profile. The bezel's more of a hard conical profile. It's one of the few severe character lines of the watch. And then we flip it all over. Taking a look at the strap, it is a wonderfully soft strap, buttery smooth on the bottom, suede on the top. It's got a lovely rustic look to it, a little bit of bolstering to give it thickness, a sheer cut side with lacquer, and then we've got a lovely pin buckle, once again with the Isotope logo right on top. The watch featuring a set of quick release pull tab spring bars. You can denude it of its strap and change easily, or just clean between the lugs more easily. You can see right here it says 2023 on the case. I'm assuming that's the year the case was made. That must be when they tooled up to make the watches, because it is a 2024 edition. You can see individual numbering on the movement. The movement is known as caliber I7 in this application. You can see a reference to that right under the lug on the opposite side, along with the Isotope logo. Now, the watch features a movement that's been customized somewhat from a standard Peso 7001, a well-known and long-serving, circa early 1970s architecture. It's 23.3 millimeters in diameter, 17 joules, manual wind, 3 hertz beat rate, 42-hour power reserve. There is some customization here, though it's not elaborate. You can see an interesting sort of machining of the hollows for the case clamp screws, and then we have a brushed finish across the bridges, but make no mistake, this is not an elaborately hand-finished watch. It is relatively raw in the way the bevels are cut, showing all the bite marks. Although I will say one pleasing element is the polishing of the teeth on the ratchet wheel along with the solarization. The Mercury logo, and of course the idea here is that Revolution, the magazine founded by Waco, a magazine all about watches, has its little star logo within the O. Isotope is the brand, Mercury is the model. We're supposed to think of the Mercury element, the Mercury Streamliner train by Henry Dreyfuss. We're supposed to think of Mercury the god, the herald of the gods. So you could see there is a tripartite meaning to the name, and this watch is designed to evoke all of those. And some of that comes through on the dial. Now, I apologize for the use of raw fingers to hold this watch because it shows fingerprints like nothing I've ever dealt with before, but it is difficult to grip a watch securely with gloves. So you can see the dial has been mirror finished, poly noir as it's known, or black polish, Zalitz machine finishing against a spinning tin plate. It's used to create black polish on Grand Seiko and Minase cases, Japanese watches that are well known for this type of hand polishing. And apparently the rejection rate was quite high for this dial, with quite a few going in the scrap bin en route to creating 150 usable examples. Now, aside from the logo, which is custom for the model, you can see that there are three primary parts: the main disc, the secondary disc for the small seconds, and then there's a little flange that separates the two discs. There's a little bit of a depth to it. If you look at the hands, you might think, well, that's a little bit Roger Smith-like. Well, it is a little bit like Roger W. Smith, but the idea here, again, the word Mercury has many meanings. One, of course, evoking laurels. Think Greek or Roman gods. Well, that's the inspiration for these flanged hands, laurels, laurel wreaths. So a very cool watch, and although it doesn't have any outward promises or declarations with regard to water resistance, it is 100 meters, so it is a true sports watch in that regard. And you can see that the case back, although not terribly well advertised, it is actually cambered and curved, which makes it a fascinating ergonomic equation, a watch that wears quite well, and that's generally not the case for tonneau cases. This one is great for a small wrist too, although it has outsized personality. I would say for the money, very few watches have a stronger design identity. And once again, buy this watch and you will become a social media phenomenon. If you want to, reach out to Team Mosso at the 1916company.com for purchase and pricing details.